Gwanghwamun Square, and that's where the blue house is. I'm assuming it's that big house back there. I just really thought this was a cool statue. It kind of looks like Genghis Khan or something. It's cool to see the new buildings being built with the ancient mountains and like the ancient fortress in the background. Yeah. Oh, it does?
Yeah, it's super high definition. It's really cool.
They like their screens here.
They do, and you see, and look at that building. I love this.
Oh.
옛 문헌 기록에 따르면 조선시대
We can go?
군사들은 칠패대가 연주하는
To wear a mask or no?
앞으로 나아서고
It's outdoor.
들려오면 이동을 멈추었다고 합니다.
I want to take pictures first.
So they're changing the guard right now? Is it gonna happen right here? So we're in the middle of it and they want us out of the way.
朝鮮祭の指導員は軍艦隊の演奏に合わせて移動します。
We're watching the changing of the guards, and it's pretty interesting. It's I don't know how guardy the guards are, but maybe they could still like stab you. But they take it pretty seriously when they do change the guards. It's very formal and really cool to see. It kind of feels like you're transported back in time. So. Chanel, you notice there's a guy just chilling up there.
Yeah.
Okay, he's just like he's just like watching it. I approve of this changing of guards. They did a good job today. You're a project guy who doesn't care. He's the project coordinator. Your mom's got the ticket.
Can I have the ticket? Oh.
So you can't use the middle door of the three because only the king's allowed to use that, and it's blocked, even though there's no king. So once again, you can see the gate in the middle is blocked because only the king can use it. Everyone else has to go around. Even the king's steps are better than the regular steps. Look at that.
I got hungry again.
I know, me too. I'm hungry.
Really? Okay, can we get food?
Find food.
Okay. I'm glad I'm not the only one. I don't know how I got hungry again. You were like eating forever, and then I got hungry.
This is a beautiful view from here, isn't it? Oh. Coffee latte.
Coffee latte hot?
Hot, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
I get CK and cafe latte hot.
palace, there's not really food at all. I'm not sure you're allowed to bring your own food. I'm assuming if you're diabetic or something, you probably could. But they do have one cafe, and it's always out of food apparently, but they have coffee, so something. It's actually pretty decent. Just pretty simple, traditional Italian cafe latte, espresso, mocha, that kind of stuff. The desserts that they have look really good on pictures, but they never have it, so who knows?
Wait, we can go and find coffee shop.
No, we can't. No re-entry.
Oh, no re-entry?
Yeah, it's okay.
I think I need to drink water better anyways. Yeah, I don't think they allow food.
Do you know what this part is?
I don't know much. I know there are three structures. There are some openings.
In Thailand, all along the walls they had Buddhas.
Oh, really?
And yeah, when they had a wall like this, there was like hundreds of Buddhas always sitting along the wall, and they were all different.
Guarded.
Yeah. But they're not, are they, no one's Buddhist here, or are they Buddhist in Korea?
No Buddhist.
No.
In the temple, not in the house.
Oh, okay.
The work here, so I don't know.
Ah.
I just know this is the main palace where all the functions.
Huh. And this one? Or just the whole thing?
The whole thing.
Oh, the whole thing. Looks pretty cool. That's neat. I can't feel but so lucky to be here to get to go see stuff like this. But I guess at the same time, luck isn't all of it. It's a lot of hard work and just staying consistent with it. Probably luck does have something to do with it, you know. If you're born in like a third world country with no way out, that would be tough. But then again, both my parents and my fiance's parents are born in third world countries and made their way out. So, just depends, I guess. Look at this place. Isn't that awesome? And all these people wearing their traditional hanuks. If you wear the hanuk, you get to come in for free. Otherwise, I don't think the tickets are that expensive. In fact, it's kind of hard to spend money in Korea. With everything being so cheap, of course, that's in relation to Colorado prices, which is what I'm used to. But I exchanged like $300 at the airport, thinking I'd be using it up, and I've probably barely made a dent.
Yeah, kids gonna. You guys don't get to feel like a prince or princess for a day. It's not a thing they do at school.
This is an alley also that, you know, they usually take picture with these people walking.
Ah, yeah, I see why.
Instagram alley.
Yeah.
In the palace. Watch your head. I like this bathroom because you can make intimate eye contact, you know, maybe meaningful conversation through the window here while you're taking a piss. And then also, this is really cool, spaceship door. I really like that it's super bright. This is exactly what I imagined it would be like.
For what?
Just super bright.
The female and the male servant, they couldn't get married. Because if they have a family, they couldn't consent their own servant to royal family because they have their family.
What?
Geographical center of Seoul. Turns out she was showing the sign to the geographical.
Oh, they got some cool paintings. So this was the king's bedroom. That's why it's got a little bit of artwork. You know, other than the ceiling is like really nice everywhere. Obviously, you can see it everywhere. But he's got like, you know, 6 paintings. So that's how you know he's the king. I'm assuming right here under the king's bedroom, these are servants' quarters. You see anything in there? Look at that. You get to access different parts of the house from underneath. That's a pretty long tunnel, probably like 70 feet down there. And it looks like it goes left and right, and you got a couple different ways you can go just underground. To the toilet chronicle. This wets your paper towel. And then of course they've got glowing faucet. Just in case you needed a bright red light on your faucet for some reason.
Oh Lord! Oh my God!
Vilma, you get the first bite.
No! Oh my God! It's moving. Let's jump.
Oh Lord.
Well, video it when it's moving.
You have to eat it while it's moving.
Okay, eat it.
If it doesn't stick to your tongue, then
Okay,
it's
go
not
ahead.
as tasty.
No, eat it now.
Here.
Eat it.
Oh,
I don't have a utensil actually.
Go, Attila.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's how they cheer.
I'm gonna go for the most live one here. If I could, these are tough chopsticks. It's gonna get away from me. Okay. I can't believe we cheers with that. It does stick to your tongue.
It sticks to your cheek.
I mean, it doesn't taste bad.
Actually, it's not bad. Once you really kill it, it's not bad. But the first second or two, it stinks.
Bro.
Huh?
You what?
If you touch it, they're gonna move more.
This one's a little sleepy one. Here's our little buddy. Sorry we ate your friends.